When your Yamaha receiver remote stops working, the first thing to check is the batteries, since this causes most remote issues. Even batteries that aren't completely dead can cause weak or inconsistent response, so replace them with fresh, high-quality alkaline batteries. If that doesn't help, make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the receiver. Yamaha remotes work best from about 6 to 20 feet and within a straight-on angle. Bright sunlight, LED, or fluorescent lights, and dust on the receiver's IR sensor can interfere with the signal, so gently clean the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. You can also test the remote by pointing it at your phone's camera and pressing a button. If you see a purple or white flash, the remote is sending a signal. If the remote still doesn't respond, try a soft reset. Remove the batteries, wait 30 seconds, then press and hold any button for 10 seconds to drain residual power. Reinsert fresh batteries and test again. If that fails, a factory reset may be needed, but note, this will erase all receiver settings. Power the receiver off, then hold the straight and info buttons while turning it back on until the display indicates initialization. You may also need to reprogram the remote by holding code set and power together until the LED blinks, then entering your model code. As a backup, Yamaha's MusicCast app can control your receiver from your phone, making it a reliable alternative if the remote continues to act up.